Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with a VR for my other dear friend, Miss Shannon Morrissey. Hi Shannon! And she's having a fairy challenge now. It's a 600 subby challenge, and she asked for anything fairy. So I altered this box. It is actually a clear box. It was a Ferrero Rocher box left over from the holidays. And I used some really beautiful paper from White Rose Crafts. Look at how pretty this is. This is lemon craft paper. And I've done it, you know, in the fairy colors of pink and white and soft green. This is the bottom, and I used some spools for the feet. There you can see the spools. I just kind of shabbily painted them with some white paint. So that's the bottom. Everything's been Mod Podged. And then the top, I used this gorgeous, you'll see on the inside more of this paper. I used this really pretty fairy image from the Flower Fairies, which I love this image. It's one of my favorites. And I used one of my handmade embellishments over here in coordinating colors. And then I had this printed off. It says, "I believe in fairies." Butterfly, appliques, some clay flowers, a really pretty shabby pink flower, and a lace bow, and this really pretty applique going down the front of the box. This cute little fairy button here. It's like a glass cabochon. And then a little applique over here, some bling. So that's the top of my box. And then around the edge, I used this delicate little white trim and this really pretty pink tulle trim. And that goes all the way around. And then I used this thin white crochet trim around the top of the box. And then when you open it, that's the inside of the box. And I've used more of that beautiful lemon craft paper. It's called Yesterday, and you can get it at White Rose Crafts. And then I did a little applique and another little fairy glass cabochon in the center there. And then on the inside, I've made you some what I call fairy flowers, Shannon, because I know how you love to make flowers. So these are some of the flowers that I've made for you. I love making flowers. And then when I pull these out, you'll see the bottom of the box as well. So there's those ones, and this one, and these are the ones where you singe the edges, and a pink one, and then a gold one. And then here you can see this gorgeous, this is my favorite paper from the Yesterday Lemon Craft. It's pink and it looks like lace. I just love this paper. It's so shabby and pretty. I really, really love it. So, and the inside of the box is just clear. Like I said, it was a clear box. So the flowers will be inside for you, Shannon. I hope that you like them. I just go back in like this. And then the lid goes on top. So that will be being sent out to you on Friday. I hope that you like it, and please go over and subscribe to Shannon, help her get to 600 subbies. She's really, really close, and the link to her channel will be in the description box. Thanks guys. Thanks Shannon. See you guys soon. Bye.